Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVGR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. Today got pretty crazy, so definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains. It's just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible and not have, like I said, lines everywhere. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So going into today, the 60-cent mark here was an area of resistance, or excuse me, support. But now that the price is down below it on any sort of bounces, whether that's Wednesday or any day, any other day this week, that initial hurdle now becomes 61 cents. If the price can push up through that level, the next immediate area to turn your attention to from a resistance standpoint would be that purple line there, which is the 50 period at simple moving average. You can see that after the price broke down below it earlier in the day, when the price did bounce back, that's right where the price started to stumble around. So I'm not saying that the price can't get back above that purple line. I'm just saying that traditionally speaking, and has already been confirmed here, the price usually does need to bring its A game to, like I said, not only break above it, but then stay up above it. So again, in the near term, 61 cents, that first hurdle. Next level after that, that purple line there, the 50 period moving average. What about levels of support? Next overarching level of support would be this previous breakout point, which sits down here at right around 54 cents. And if 54 cents does not hold, next key level after that would be the pink line down here, which is the very famous 200 period at simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period before. And on my chart, that is what the pink line is representing. So keep an eye on these overall levels. Shaky day to day. We'll see if the bulls can get things turned around or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.